LED strips are incredibly flexible both in how you use them and how they look. At the lighting outlet, we have a simple process for providing custom LED strip lights. This includes LED strips on their own, as well as full LED lighting systems. To get started, visit the lighting outlet website. Click on LED strips and scroll down to whichever one it is that you like. Click Add to Cart and type in whatever special instructions it is that you want. For example, please cut into 3 pieces, each 320mm in length. View cart and checkout. Don't forget to do the same thing for the aluminium profile. Click on LED strips, aluminium profiles, and scroll down to choose what you'd like. And again, the same thing for the drivers. LED strips, click on the driver and scroll down to pick which one you'd like. Check that everything is how you like it and then proceed to checkout. We'll send everything to our warehouse team for customization. First, we'll check the measurements and cut each length to the required size. Next, we cut the tails, a low voltage cable, to the appropriate length and solder them to the LED strip light. We then secure the cable connections and test each cut individually to make sure everything is working perfectly before it leaves the warehouse. Once the custom cuts are complete, the components are ready to be packed and shipped directly to you. And that's how you get your own customized LED strip light.